Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the factory halogen bulbs in the interior dome and in the trunk lights on your 2010 to 2015 Camaro. This kit I have for you is available in 6 different colors, but today we're going to be installing the white version to give us a nice clean look. Removing the factory cover for the dome light is easily done. All we will need to do is take a flat blade screwdriver and pop the plastic cover off. With the cover removed, we will simply remove the factory halogen bulb by pulling it out of the socket. A quick tip guys, if you put the bulbs in place and it does not come on, then that's because the bulbs do have polarity. So this means that the bulbs will only work in one direction. Simply remove the bulbs and reinstall them, flipping the bulb 180 degrees. Then we can easily install the new LED bulb in place. Once you verify the bulb is working, reinstall the factory cover. For the trunk bulb, we are going to remove the housing using a small flat blade screwdriver and disconnect it from the harness so we can replace the halogen bulb. With the housing aside, we can simply remove the factory bulb and install the LED bulb. Then plug the factory connector back in place to make sure the light is functioning correctly. There you have it guys. It's just that simple to change the factory halogen bulbs in your Camaro's dome and trunk. Now all you have to do is find out what color you want to go along with your car. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.